Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living. If you are new here, I'm a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. And here on my channel, I like to share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around, subscribe, and join us here. And hopefully we can inspire you along the way. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some home decor that is DIY. So I am going to turn the camera around and show you how I made this for our homeschool room from an old shirt. So this was a shirt that my oldest got for his first birthday, and this shirt has been passed down to all of the kids, and it recently started to break here, so I hot glued that piece back together, and my daughter was outgrowing it. She was really sad that it was no longer fitting her, and we were not able to pass it down to my 4th baby. It used to light up as well. She was so disappointed that she couldn't wear this anymore because she was getting too big for it. And this was a very loved shirt in our home for my oldest. We did a Minions themed first birthday party, so he got this as a gift from his grandparents. And I always loved this, and I thought this would be a great keepsake for him. So I preserved it on this wood canvas from Dollarama, and I did include the tag here from the shirt as well. So Despicable Me, Minion Made 2T. So my daughter's 4 now. She was still fitting into it at 3, but no longer was working for her. But I preserved it. It is washed, and I fixed a few of the pieces. It had paint stains on it, but all you need to preserve a memory like this and make some DIY classroom decor for your homeschool is the wood canvas. You could even do just a fabric canvas or paper canvas, like a painting canvas, and hot glue, and then your shirt. You could even just go pick up a cute shirt for inexpensive, like Children's Place has shirts marked down for $5.99, and you don't get a decor sign for $5.99. I am definitely going to be doing more decor pieces like this for themes in our homeschool with cute shirts, because why not? If you can get a good deal and alter something, I think that that's a really fun and different, and you're going to get a unique piece. So I'm going to turn the camera around and bring you along for the process, show you how I did this. It's very basic, but I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. So this is the wooden board from Dollarama. They come in various sizes. You could definitely use a painting canvas as well for this, and pick up a canvas from your favorite store to get them. So this is the shirt that I am working with. Like I said in the intro, it is a well-loved shirt. It had just been through the wash, and there was a few paint stains on it because this shirt has been worn by 3 of my kiddos, and they have loved this shirt. So I'm just trying to get off some of the paint stains and fix it up a little bit, preserve it, keep the memory there, and take advantage of this motivational quote on here. The next big thing. As you guys learn, you can do great things. What will you accomplish in this life? And then I'm just using my scissors. I need to invest in a good pair of fabric scissors because I have been doing a lot of fabric crafts and DIY projects lately, and my scissors aren't cutting it. So that is that. But yeah, I'm just cutting this out, trimming it down to fit the wooden canvas. The eyeball used to light up, and it just recently stopped working. and it was starting to peel up, so I'm going to fix that as well after I get this glued down to the board. So as you can see, I'm using my hot glue gun. You definitely want to be careful with this because it can still be quite hot even though you are touching the fabric. So just being careful, working quickly but slowly so that you get the fabric down well. And I didn't do this perfectly because when it is up on the wall, you do not see the edges. You're not paying attention to that. And I just wanted to get this project done because my daughter was asking about it, and I really wanted to show her that we could keep this and use it in a fun way. So getting this adhered down. This is a fun way to do a project for your homeschool decor. If you find that piece at the thrift store, or you find maybe a card or something at the dollar store that you just want to turn into decor, you're like, that would be perfect. Like, you can make anything work. You just have to think outside the box and have fun and DIY. Something like this would probably be quite expensive because especially character stuff can be quite pricey. So as you can see, now I am just folding the shirt over the edge here and hot gluing it. Like I said, I didn't do it perfectly. And then I do trim the extra fabric off. And this has been sped up because it was a little bit time consuming, but not super long. But I wanted to speed this up so this video was not super long. So now I am just going to trim the extra fabric off here, and then I will fix some of the white paint on there, fix the eye where the plastic part was coming off, where the lights were originally. I wish I could like replace the light from these shirts. That would be really fun. And then you could like touch it on the wall, but that would be bad too because then they'd be trying to reach up really high to get the light on. It was such a fun shirt. So now that the extra fabric is cut off, we're going to add in the label as well on the back here. I don't do this with all of the decor pieces that I make with like a shirt or anything, but because this was a shirt for my son, then my oldest, he got it for his first birthday, I thought it would be fun to put the label on the back just as like a memory. And I know that he got this for his first birthday, and I have pictures of it, and I have pictures of him wearing it for a long time and all of the kids, but I just thought it would be cute to put that on there. So I'm going to fix the eye first, and then you're going to see me add that tag in a little bit. So just added a little bit of glue to the plastic to flatten that down and make sure that it's going to last. Just fixing it up, and then I come in with some markers. So I'm using a Spectrum Norm markers to do this. You could definitely use a Sharpie just to fix some of the black areas on this image, on the minion, on the words. Because this shirt is well used, it just needed a little bit of attention to detail. And then there is the white paint stains from all of our crafting times on here as well. So I do come in with a yellow Spectrum Norm marker as well, just to fix it. You still see some of that white if you look really close, but when it's up on the wall, you don't see that. You just see the minion and the words, the next big thing. I just wanted to go ahead and fix it up as much as I could and disguise some of those white paint marks on here, and then just adding a little bit of gray here into the goggles, giving a little bit of color back to it. And then I will add in that label from the back, showing you a close-up. And then here I'm cutting out the label in the back of the shirt. And then I will just hot glue that in there into the back of the wooden canvas. So like I said, this is so simple. All you need is the canvas of your choice, a hot glue gun, and your decor piece. So a t-shirt or a card or anything that you want to turn into a decor piece. Just go ahead and do it and make something fun for your homeschool room. Maybe it's a gift bag. Gift bags are sometimes so cute. They could make great decor pieces for sure. Just cut it down and glue it on to the canvas and you have a super, super cute decor piece that is unique. So here it is hanging in my dining room. I love how it turned out. I actually have changed the area here, so you'll see that in my upcoming video where I share our homeschool space for this next year, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Alright, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join us here. And I hope you try something like this. I hope that you think outside of the box when it comes to home decor and decor for your homeschool classroom. This is so fun, and you are not going to find a piece like this just out there. And if you did, I'm sure it would be quite expensive, since themed Disney, this isn't Disney, but themed character pieces can be quite expensive. So this was a fun project, and it's hanging up in our dining room homeschool space, and the kids love it. It's such a motivational quote for them, the next big thing. So you guys, this is an encouragement to my kids, and they can know that as they keep learning, that they can be the next big thing, that they can do great things in this world. So I love this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.